Hello everyone, welcome to our program again. Today we're going to do some paper folding. 老鼠书签. The Chinese character we're going to learn is 书. So first, what is 老鼠书签? It's rat bookmark. Look at the picture on the left. It's rat bookmark. So, let's talk about the Chinese character 书. 书 refers to book, letter, document, and writings. And the vocabulary we're going to learn today is 书包, 书包, which means school bag. Now, try to read after me. 书包, 书包. And now, take out your notebook and write it down on your notebook. 书包. Then we're going to talk about the arranging of this Chinese character. So look at the picture here. So this part means writing. It's obvious, means writing, handwriting. And this part means a Chinese character called 猪. So we mainly borrow its pronunciation 猪, which is similar to 书. So when we combine those two, we get the Chinese character 书 on the right, this part. And here is how this Chinese character developed into this shape, which we use today. Now, let's count its strokes together. This character only have 4 strokes. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So always follow the order of writing it. We only have 4 strokes, this Chinese character. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to always practice this Chinese character 书, 书. So next, let's get started with our rat bookmark. Hi, I'm Cici. Today we're going to make a bookmark, a rat bookmark. See this? And take it off, and then you can put in the book and use it as a bookmark. So we need a scissor, a tape, or a glue stick is better, a square paper of any size, and then a rectangle paper and a pen. Then, let's get started. First, we need to fold the square paper half to half. Then, we need to use this point, make this point to meet this point. We fold it. And then for the left part is the same. We use this point to meet this point. You can press it. Yes. And then we open them. So now you can see we use this point, one edge of this point, to meet the middle point of this line. Then we fold back the 2 triangles. Then we need to fold this part inside. Fold inside. The left part is the same. Then we just leave this one. Leave it, and we need to use the rectangle paper. First, we need to draw the ears of the rat. And then cut them off. Then we need to stick the ears to the body parts. If you have a glue stick, it's better to use a glue stick. So let's stick the ears. Then the other one is the same. Just to repeat the steps we did before. So now we almost finished. Then we need to use the pen to draw its eyes and nose. So here comes our rat bookmark. I will just show you how to use it. You just put this part at one corner of the book. And then that's it. See? This is how it works. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.